Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can download all the photos from Google Photos in one click. So for that you need to open up your Gmail, and after opening up your Gmail just click on the profile picture on the top right corner, and after that click on manage your Google account and wait for it to load, and then click on data and privacy, and after that scroll down, and then you will find this option of content saved from Google services. Just click on it, and after it opens up just scroll down and find this option of Google Photos, and all you have to do is just click on download and proceed further with the process, and you will be able to download all the photos from your Google account. And this is how you do it. It might take a while, just be patient, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.